Hey guys, it's Connie here from the Daily Life of Creativity, an inner creativity shop, and I'm excited to share my new 5 layout class using the Born to Travel collection and inner creativity exclusive acrylic embellishments. Okay, so in this class, we will be creating 5 12 by 12 layouts. You will get everything that you need to create the layouts: paper, acrylic embellishments, twine, everything that you need. Okay, you will get the PDF files that have the step-by-step instructions, also 5 videos to go along with each layout. And it is very casual, so I can't wait to see you all there. Even if you are a beginner and want to spend some time with me, I invite you over. So nice to meet you, and thank you so much for stopping by. Bye. So let's dive in a little closer before you leave. So here are the 5 layouts. I just want to show you a little sneak peek. You get to create layers with papers and embellishments, use acrylic words, and just add multiple photos to layouts. Okay, so if you are a beginner, I would love to see you there to have some fun with me. The classes, once again, they're very casual, and we get to create 5 layouts. It's a beautiful collection. I will also be creating a mini album with this collection, so stay tuned for that one. But let's show you what comes inside this box. Okay, real quick. So you will get frames and tags, enamel dots. You will also get a little bit of twine for your tags that we will be using on some of the layouts. And then you will get 5 acrylic words for for 5 layouts, which is capture. Let's go with a little, I would say, rose iridescent or plain. It's pretty pink. It's a pink, yeah, pink iridescent plain. Route taken acrylic word on the map and good vibes with allocation mark. So here you are. And then you get 3 12 by 12 110-pound cardstock. These are really, really nice and thick. These are for 3 layouts. You also get the Born to Travel coordinating solid paper pack, and you get the kit, which contains the 12 by 12 papers, double-sided papers, and the 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Okay, so we will be creating with this collection. If you are a beginner, I would love, love, love to see you there. Send this over to someone who loves the scrapbooking or wants to get into scrapbooking. I would love it if you help me share I have worked really hard on this, so I'm really proud. And then you get to chat to me if you have any questions. I will be there to guide you through the whole process, okay? And yeah, so I will go ahead and add the links in the description box below. And also, if you prefer just a digital class, I also have that available. Bye.